Hello chat. Fresh cut. Fresh whip. So, I don't know if you've been watching my other channel that I made, but we got the Vette, right? And I want to modify because she keeps modifying her stuff and I don't get to modify mine.
I'm faster.
Not true. Anyways, decided we're going to do a little bit of weight reduction, right? Because what's the cheapest way to make the car faster? Removing weight. So, can I flip the screen on this one? I cannot. We're going to make a cut. All right, so as you can see, I hit something here. And this little part of the skirt, it was a tire in the road, unfortunately. But I want to get rid of all this trim here. And in the back, let's go in the back. It's a little tight back here. I want to get rid of this diffuser because I don't have an exhaust here. So that's the plan for today. We're going to get rid of all of that stuff. I do want to get a little spoiler for here, a little carbon spoiler. And I want to go like, I think I want to do like a lot of carbon stuff. So I've been searching Marketplace. I did get a cool carbon steering wheel for $100 off of Marketplace. Ooh, these are looking grody. I wonder if there's like lighter aftermarket headlights as well. Probably are with LEDs and whatnot. So that's the plan. She also gets so hot. So I was thinking about deleting the fog lights and putting a auxiliary oil cooler here, and then on the other side a transmission cooler. And this also sucks. A kitty hopped up here. Look at that. Punctured my windshield when the cat was walking on my car, which sucks. Wheels, of course, still stock. We have the drag pack here, but tires are like $1,400, so that is where we're at. And there's like little cosmetic things like these little reflectors. I don't know. They're red. They look okay, but I want to change them. So yeah, and she's gonna get to washing. Get to washing, woman. Get to washing, woman. All right, so we have a bunch of these little 7mm clips. Not a bunch, just a couple. Looks like all the way down. So just gonna hop under here, get them out, and then pull this piece out. This junk. All right, chat. And in my attempts to modify the whip, I bought some things off of Amazon because I don't have any tools. So if you go to the link down below, we'll get this 3/8. This is a torque wrench that I bought for my steering wheel, so I can install the new steering wheel. We're gonna need to recuperate about $100 to justify the purchase, right? Please click my link down below. Buy this torque wrench. Give it a little review as we go through, and it'll help the channel, help me out. You can also use my link at the top of the description just for general purchases. You use my link, you buy stuff on Amazon, I'll get a little bit of that cut back. It'll help me out. Let's crack this baby open. Let's get to cracking. So it looks like those clips go into here. Let me take this bolt off. Let me grab a wrench. Let's see, what size is that? Looks like it might be a 10. Let's get back down here. Let's get back down. Let's get back down here. Oh, dude, I'm so goated. I was right. So for those of you that don't know what's done to the car, It's nothing crazy. I got a cold air intake, long tube headers, obviously to the X pipe, and then dumped. We've got a big nasty cam, stage 4 Texas Speed. It's called their F35. It's a high lift, high lope cam. Because I wanted some chop, baby. I wanted that chop. And ported heads. So nothing crazy. She makes $498 to the wheels, which is like what, like $540 to the motor, something like that. Around there. There we go. Boom, baby. Fixing it. I just need to pull. Oh man. Hey Belle, can you come push on the bumper here? Can you come push on my bumper? Can you push right here, like as hard as you can?
Here?
Yeah, and just put, no, not pull, push. Like,
oh, like push.
Yeah, towards me. Alright, nope, it's not working. Thank you.
What are you trying to do?
Try and get this bolt into this hole that I just took off.
Am I not pushing hard enough?
Oh, I got it. Sweet. Thank you, baby. Alright. Cool. So we fixed that. It looks much better. Still a little messed up, but way better than it looked previously. Get it nice and tight. Alright. Sweet. Oh, that looks so much better. So now we're all even. Didn't take too long. And she looks a lot better now. Alright, I thought I was recording, but I helped her dry the whip off. But yeah, I don't know, the recording stopped for some reason, but the Mustang is all clean, little Dr. Pepper piece, looking sexy. What we got done to this car real quick, we got long tube headers, cold air intake, X-pipe, MBRP, catback, and a tune. It is on flex, so she runs E occasionally. But yeah, that's the Mustang build. And boom, let's get back to the vet. We're gonna push her out a little bit so we can get to the rear. All right, push the vet out a little bit. So we got that front lip taken care of. So let's get this rear diffuser out. Means I'm also going to be removing these rear reverse lights. Hopefully that's not too much of a pain, but I guess we'll figure out when we get there. Hopping underneath. So let me put this in the wide view. So we have this bracket, these two brackets here, and we've got, you can kind of see it's on both sides here. So yeah, let's get to wrenching, baby. Ooh, link in below, link in the bio below. Let's grab our 10. Let's see if the 10. Nice, it is a 10. For free?
You can see my feet? What the hell? Get out of here. How can you see them from there?
I'm looking at it. What's up?
I'll clean your car. I'll keep my song for a little bit.
That's okay.
I have fucking veiny ass feet, bro.
Dude, me too. Alright, first two bolts out. Baby, can you give me my 7mm wrench from the snap-on kit right there?
What's a wrench?
Huh?
What's a wrench?
What do you mean, what's a wrench? It's the only tool over there. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Now this might be something that I might be able to sell, this whole diffuser, because there's nothing wrong with it. Maybe somebody's trying to restore like a rear-end collision car or something. So I'm gonna list this up on Facebook Marketplace. Probably a couple $100, few $100, see if we can get some money out of it. Because if we can, that would be awesome. I know I can definitely do that for like the seats and like you know, some interior stuff. But I'm not sure what the market's looking like for something like a rear diffuser. I don't know where it came from. Now there's other little bolts on the inside of the diffuser here. Oh, these are gonna be a pain to get to. Okay. Oh, this one's stuffed, so I can't use my ratcheting wheel for this one. It's stuffed between a little curve in the plastic, so I gotta manually get this next one. And here's a little plug, if you haven't already. Go check out some of my other channels, primarily my finance channel. And hit the like button. If you've got this far in the video, please hit the like button. Thumbs up, subscribe, maybe leave a comment. Leave a comment down below. Bella, what should they comment?
Corvette and Mustang.
Comment Corvette and Mustang if you got this far into the video. There's another one. Alright. So now that I got these few bolts on the side here, oh, it gives me access to the bolts holding the fog light in. Oh, I don't even need to do that. Wait, I can just slide these out, I think. Hold up. Oh, okay. Wait, I can just slide them out. That's so much easier. So I just need to get the other side now. Hey, chat. So, we got these brackets out here. And I got all these little brackets here were all on the inside, and these ones were on the outside. So we took those off, and it looks like these are just clips. So I'm gonna leave the fog light attached. I should probably take the bulb out. There we go. So take the bulb out. We'll remove that in a moment. But looks like we can keep the whole assembly together, and that'll probably make it easier to sell as well. So we're gonna skip to this side. Don't forget to stay hydrated, chat. You drank all my water!
Uh-oh.
Can you fill me up, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. Whew. Let's get back under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. The diffuser's almost out. We're really close. So we will come back to this in a little bit. Gotta freshen up. All right, we are back. Let's get back to wrenching. You never know. Oh, that's so much better. You're so right. I really did not make these last couple bolts easy to get to, though. You know what? Not as bad as German engineering. Like Audis and stuff. Mercedes. They make that stuff way too complicated. Sorry if my butt's in your face, chat. I know it's fat. I might shake it in the back. Yeah, it's hot out here. Boys, we are off, baby. Ugh. Look at that. And the fog light, or the reverse lights, are like part of it.
You don't have reverse lights on.
Yeah. What do I need a reverse light for?
Sure. It's reverse never, but.
All right. Here's what she looks like now. Gone. I think it looks better. I gotta figure out what to do with the lights though. I gotta like zip tie them up or something.
That's supposed to be on the corner now?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe should I take those?
I would say it's kind of I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of weird with those little things right there.
Yeah. Maybe I'll take those things off. Yeah, those. Here,
Do you see your fireballs more now?
I think it'd be the same. This one's gone already. The part that broke on there wasn't even on this one. Alright, there's the reverse lights out. How should I go about this? I think I should just cut it. Because it is like part of the fender. How would I go about that? Yeah, because I don't want to take the whole fender liner out right now. That's what I would have to do. What if I just cut it up here? Aha! Well, it came in handy. I need to zip them up, zip them up, zip them up. Alright, let me show you guys kind of what I did. So I just zipped up the, kind of like, just zipped them up, and I'll go grab some scissors, snip that off so that cable doesn't hang around. I'm gonna go grab my X-Acto knife. I'm gonna try to like trim this off. This plastic is super thick, so I don't know how well that's gonna work, but I'll be right back, figure that out. Oh, this is gonna be a struggle, but it's kind of working. It's not gonna look amazing, but you know what? This is DIY, baby. Do it yourself. All right. And let me come down. All right. Yeah, that looks better. All right. Look better? Yeah. Nice. Well, that is it, chat. Boom. So now it's all even. Go to the zoom out mode. Looks pretty good. You see a lot of stuff going on now. You see all that space. Looks a little better because I don't have the exhaust. What do you think?
It looks really good, a lot better.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Comment Corvette Mustang down below. And please hit the subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, you want to help me out, please check out my Amazon links down below. It helps the channel. It's the best way you can support me. Buy that kit. This kit came in crazy handy, crazy good. And we love it. We love Amazon. We love YouTube. And I love my car. Thank you. Blah.